In this video, I'll show you how to fold the rear seats of your Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2014. So the first thing, make sure you have a bit of space so the front seats are pushed in the front just a slight bit. Then you need to go in the trunk of the car, so pop the trunk and you're gonna notice it has a lever right over here where it says pull on it, and another one on the other side. Again, pull on it a few times to unlock the backrest. Then go inside and simply bring the backrest down manually. Okay, simply do this and you're gonna have a almost flat floor, and you'll be able to load much larger items from the trunk. Okay, so once it's time to put the seats back, all you have to do is to bring the backrest in place. Make sure that they lock in position. Make sure there is nothing, okay, no seat belt, no nothing blocking the latch. And I highly suggest you pull a bit on the seats just to make sure that they're locked in position and they're not gonna fall down if you're in an accident or while you're driving. If you want to remove the seating cushion, okay, you simply need to pull like this upwards. You see it has a latch over here and it has another one on the other side. By pulling with two hands, sometimes because it's hard, you'll be able to lift it, and by pulling it you can actually remove it to have more space.